Hello, it's David here from Sentia Plus. Today I'm going to show you how to add a contact to Sentia. Sentia actually operates as your operator. It replaces the need for any enterprise software, replaces the CRM, financial software, ERP software, marketing software. It does the work of all of those products. Today I'm going to show you something pretty simple, which is how to add a contact or a lead or a company. And as always with Sentia Plus, the simplest way to do that is to ask it to do it for you. There's lots of other ways you can add contacts. You can import them, bring them in from LinkedIn, calendars and the like, or import them from other software. What I'm going to do today is just ask Sentia to do the job. I'm going to say add someone. I'll pick on a random person. Let's pick on Mark Benioff. For those of you who don't know, Mark is the CEO at Salesforce. So what Sentia is going to do is go and look for who I may be asking it to add. It's come back and found a few likely options. Mark Benioff's there at the top. It's telling me that that person already exists in our database. That's fine. I'm going to add them anyway. It won't matter because Sentia regularly cleans up duplicates and merges them all on the database. But in this case, I'm asking it to add Mark Benioff. Now, it's building me a profile. It's not simply adding the person's name. It's built a detailed profile for me. And because my Sentia Plus knows exactly who I am and what we're trying to achieve in my business, it scored the person for priority. So it's giving Mark a 98 score, which is saying this is a really great prospect for our product. I'm not sure he's going to buy my product. He probably uses Salesforce.com. It's giving me some contact details that it could find out there. I can also click a button here and enrich that with phone numbers and email addresses. The profile it builds is pretty extensive. It's saying Mark would be a strategic influencer. It's giving me a profile summary, signals that it's found based on what's out in the web about Mark Benioff, all his likely business priorities here, and why he may care about our offering, outreach angles, LinkedIn requests, email, everything, including his background, his work experience, and more. Up the top here, I can have a look at latest news for this person and their company. There's some news about Salesforce in the news at the moment. I can also look at their posting activities in LinkedIn here. Yes, just yesterday, they've announced their, I guess, second quarter results this year, and a whole lot more. Gave it my name, gave it my Mark Benioff, my contact's name, and basically it's built a whole profile for me along with a whole lot of other information. In the top here now, Sentia Plus knows I'm looking at Mark Benioff. I can ask it pretty much any question, and it's got context. So basically I'll ask who's in their C-suite. I can do research on this person or their company. I can move from this and do a whole deep dive into who we should speak to, who we should look at. Here you go, it's giving me all the C-suite, asking me would you like me to draft outreach messages or make a short list, and it stores all this information. So just by giving Sentia Plus a name, it's built this entire profile for me, and that's how easy it is with Sentia Plus. It will do your work for you. Thanks for the attention today. I appreciate it.